Good morning, students. Today we will start worksheet 2, that is multiplication of monomial and a binomial. In this case, what we are doing, let a be any monomial and b plus c be any binomial. So in this case, we have to multiply. So a multiplied by b plus c. So in this case, firstly we will multiply monomial by first term of binomial and then by the second term, that is a into b plus a into c. So it is equal to AB plus AC. In the same way, we have to solve these questions in worksheet 2. For example, there is an example is there 3x by multiplied by 8x square plus 7x by. It is a binomial and it is a monomial. So we multiply it by first term and then it by the second term, that is 3x by into 8x square plus 3x by into 7x by, and it is equal to 24. 8 3s are 24, x into x square, it is equal to x raised to power 3 into y. So it is 24 x raised to power 3 into y. And now here 7 3s are 21, x into x, that is x square, y into y, that is equal to y square. This is the product of these two terms, monomial and binomial. Now the worksheet question number 1, find the product of the following. So in this case, firstly we have to find the product. So what we are doing, in this case the monomial is given on the right side of this binomial. So we multiply it by the first term and then by the second term. First term is there this one and the second term is there this one. So x square into 4x. Then second term is there 3x by into 4x. After multiplication we get 4x cube, x square into x, that is x cube. Then 3 4s are 12 and then x into x, it is x square and by as it is. The product is there 4x raised to power 3 plus 12x raised to power 2 into by. Similarly, this part is there. It is same as it is. We have to multiply. But when we multiply the same variables only. For example, 9pqr, we multiply it by this binomial. The first term is there 2p square q minus 3q square r. So in this case, we multiply it by the first term. So what we will get, 9 2s are 18. That are the product of coefficient. Then p raised to power 1 and p raised to power 2. So p raised to power 3 is there. Q into q, that is q square and r as it is. Then 9 3s are 27. The product of coefficients. Then p is only here. So p as it is. Q into q square. So it is q raised to power 3. And r into r, that is r square. After this, the third part is there, same as it is. We have to multiply the monomial by the first term of this binomial and then second term of the binomial. So 3 upon 4 a square into 2 upon 3 b square plus 3 upon 4 a square into 2 ab. It is the second term and it is the first term. After multiplication, when we multiply, firstly we multiply the coefficients. 3 3 we can cancel there and 2 से इसको कट करते हैं, तो it is 1 upon 2 a square b square. And what is here? It is 3 2s are 6 a cube b. So in this way we have to solve this. Question number 2 is also same as it is, but in this question we have to find the value when x equal to 2 and y is equal to minus 1. The first part is there 7x plus 9 by square into 3x by square. It is a monomial and it is a binomial. So we multiply it by 3x by square multiplied by 7x, which is the first term, and then it is multiplied with the second term. So what will be there? 7 3 is 21 x square and by square. और यहाँ पे 9 3 is 27 and then x as it is and y square into y square, that is y raised to power 4. So this is the product. Now we have to find the value when x equal to 2 and y is equal to minus 1. So 21 into x square, the value of x is there 2, so it becomes 2 square, and then y square means the value of y is there minus 1, so minus 1 ka square, then plus 27 into 2 x as it is 2 by raised to power 4, that is minus 1 raised to power 4, so it is equal to 21 into 2 to the 4, that is 4 into 1, because minus 1 raised to power an even number, it is always equal to 1. Then 27 into 2 into 1, same. After multiplication we get 84 plus 54 and the sum is equal to 138. In the same way, the second part is given and the third part are given. We have to solve these. Firstly, we have to find the product and then place the value, that is x equal to 2 and y is equal to minus 1. And then we will get answer, that is there 20. In the same way, we have to do third part. In this part, we have to multiply this monomial with the binomial. The first term of binomial is there 2x square into y square plus 1.5x by raised to power 3. So we multiply it by first term and then by the second term. We will get 0.5 into 2, that are the coefficients, and it is equal to 1.0. So we will write there 1 only, into x raised to power 3, x square into x, that is x square into x, that is equal to x raised to power 3, and y square as it is. Then 15 5s are 75, but decimals are there, it is 0.75 into x square and y raised to power 3. So it is the product. After this we have to place the value, so we will get answer, that is 5. So this is question number 1 and 2 of worksheet 2. Thank you.